Welcome back. It's barbecue week at the marketplace. I'm having a fantastic time. Sun's shining. I'm catching a tan, and I've got some ribs that Charlie gave me earlier blanching in the water, which I need to marinate. So I need to start, first of all, with some mustard. I'm literally going to glug probably about 100 mils of Dijon mustard straight in. I want to get some golden syrup. Now, you could use honey, you could use maple syrup. This is going to really sweeten it up, and it's going to get that lovely, sticky, smoky, sweet flavour from the grill. And I want to get some saltiness to this dish, and some colour as well. I'm going to use this slightly lighter soy sauce. Let's bring this together. I put the ribs into cold water, brought them up to the boil, which has taken about 10 minutes. I've stopped it boiling, let it cool down a little bit, and now what I'm going to do is pull them out. Now, get them into your marinade. So let's just turn it over and over and over. Okay, so look, straight on the grill. Bang it on, get the flavour going. You need to keep basting this because you're trying to create this sticky glaze. Keep basting it, keep turning it, getting this golden syrup to stick to the flesh. Okay, these are perfect. These are done. I just need to finish off my marinade. I'll leave that to rest there. I'm basically going to make a salad. Bit of iceberg lettuce, papaya, avocado, and I want to use a few of these fantastic shoots just to finish off the whole dish. And the dressing is going to have pretty much the same ingredients. So let's get some of that in there, a bit of soy, a touch of mustard. Don't make it so hot now. Now, olive oil. This is a salad dressing now. Perfect. Let's just cut this papaya down. This papaya seeds are brilliant. They are little bullets. A touch of papaya. The avocado. Now, lots of different ways to stop your avocado from going brown. Some people using lemon juice. Some people banging the seed open, putting in a touch of water. But what I do is I open the avocado when I need it, then it doesn't go brown. Now, I know that last year I did the old iceberg salad. Didn't really need a knife for it. Perfect. A little bit of the avocado and papaya, and then the dressing. Let's just rest that up. So, what I need to do is just pull these ribs over. These ribs, you're probably looking more of the southern states of America, kind of Louisiana style. Maybe not so English, but I'll tell you what, there's a lot of pork ribs in this country. We can definitely use them. They're definitely very, very good. Let's just pull that to the side. And look, what I want to do is start to build this pork rib salad up. This literally is sticky, sweet, slightly salty, definitely glazed, lots of touches of smoke, really barbecuey. To finish the whole thing off, to make it nice and healthy, I've got these fantastic little bean shoots. I'm just going to finish this off, not too many. Maximum barbecue action, glazed pork ribs, half a pot's Dawson Styley.
He's done a good job with these. Lovely.
It's very sticky. Sticky in a good way. I think they're very nice.
What I like about barbecue is a brilliant way to entertain outside. Hope this summer's better than last year.
Barbecues on the beach on a gorgeous summer's day.
Okay, that's brilliant. They love them. I'm sure I'm going to love them too. Sticky, sweet, golden syrup and soy sauce, pork ribs. Delicious. They are good.